Bafuni will die. I can even say to the public, pounce on him, never Mukuba, never Mutta. Ndabe, Candy Ho uncle. Let Candy Ho kill me. George, you cannot butter my son. I will kill them. I will kill them. I will kill them.
Mbaniriza nnyo mwebale kutuwagira mbebaza nnyo mwenna gye musinzira okubanga mulaba TM Online Television. Yenzo omuweereza wa muwolulango Kanka Kapita okubatuusaako political dose. Mudu sinnungi ndine mutabani wa Molina Matovu Mirundi Joseph Tamale Mirundi Senior. Mutabani we Tamale Mirundi Junior ali bubi bifaananyi ebyo byembalaga biva butereevu okuva mu ddwaliro ly'e Nakasero. Omwana ono yakubiddwa bubi nnyo era saidi y'akawanga baamukubye ekigala ky'emmundu akawanga ne kaatika abaamukubye tubamanyi bulungi. Mukwano gwange nfanfe Jumba Lubowa aligaweesa Taaba Kabona Katonda gw'osinza tuweerezeyo ku ssaala omwana ono asobole okuba ng'awona. Musajja mukulu Haji Biyinzika omusomi w'edduwa tuweereze edduwa mutabani wa Mirundi asobole okuwona embeera gy'alimu gy'olaba mu kavidiyo ako keni mu kubalaga akava mu ddwaliro ly'e Nakasero. Kaakati abaamukubye situjja bagamba nti tubamanyi bulungi mise bamanyi bulungi. Ye musajja ayitibwa Yiga kigambibwa nti Yiga ne basajja be abamukuuma abaseemwayo basanze mutabani wa Mirundi ne bamuwooninga ku bya kitaawo okuba nti ayogera Yiga gwayita mukama we owaseemwayo yamuwa abasirikale mbu batambula nabo mu mmotoka ennene eya gavumenti yagulibwa ku ssente z'omuwi w'omusolo. Yiga ono yagenze maaso ne balumba Tamale Mirundi Junior ngadde eka ne bamukuba bubi nnyo nga mwotwalidde ng'ogyeko eky'okumukuba buli wamu ate baamukubye ebigala by'emmundu ebyamwasizza ebyamufracturinza akawanga akukoolaba. Mirundi Senior wali wano yeecwacwana naye musajja gwemanyi nti yeekompozinga era tugenda kubaweereza. Kaakati nno omusajja oyo abagoberera social media mumujjukira ye musajja yafulumya akatambi akaali kawemula Abaganda bonna nga abavuma olw'obutawa Museveni kalulu. Yabavuma ebigambo ebyali tebiyisika mu kamwa abaakashirali nga mukyakajjukira. Ndifuna obudde n'enkabawa ne mbakuŋŋaanyiza n'ebirala ku Yiga gwe twogerako ne basajja be abaseemwayo abaakubye mutabani wa Mirundi. Bino bye mbaweereza mbijja ku Mirundi kuba ndi wano mu mabbali wakubyeyogerera. Kangende butereevu mu vidiyo olwaleero tutandike political dose.
Let say why prepare coffins and money for graves. I'm telling you. Batulabe obujoze bwabo kyabakola abantu. Ne batujoga ne batufuula embwa. Why don't you come up? Am I your spokesperson? An idiot. You are stupid. You are idiots. That I cannot talk about. Who are you? Who are you who cannot defend your department? You cannot defend your organization. Nja kumutta. There's no quarrel. He will be killed. He will die. We don't negotiate. The issue is when, but he will die. I will kill him. I will kill him. I will kill this idiot. I will kill this buffoon. I will incite the public to bounce on him with his escorts to kill the three over them. Baja bata. Nja ku incite gabawo. Baba kumi babata. Baja kubata. Ndabe kyakola. Ndabe omusajja oyo kyakola. Then we battle it out in another way. I don't believe in the courts. I don't believe in the police. I don't believe in the courts. I have my own courts. Wait and see. Tulabe kinatako. Wali watajja kusigaza mwana. Mulageko, musajja oyo mulageko. Obujoze bwalinamu. No, I have my courts. I know they will punish them. Sigenda mu court, sigenda ku police arbitration. No. I have where I'm a judge. A presiding judge, and I've sentenced them to death. Hey.
mujje baleko bwe bali kutubeererawo akaseera konna. Mutabani wa Molera Bato Mirundi yanyiize dda mzee wanyiize dda sikyasobola na kwanjula program.
I'm not an annoyed man because when I see every incident I run from it. This is Mirundi. Mirundi, when an incident happens, I run from it. Two, I have suffered many. I have seen many of my children dying. So I'm inoculated. Do you know that I've not gone to see him?
Are you serious?
Yes, I've not gone to see him because I can pick a gun and kill this idiot with his escorts. I can kill this goon with his escorts. That's why I've not gone there.
You haven't seen the guy?
I have not gone to see my son who is in pain. But I thank Bobby Wine for ringing me to console me. Bobby Wine has rang me and I've told him, don't mind, this is not a problem. This has nothing to do with the politics. It is military intelligence which hired a goon called Yiga, whom they gave escorts to kill my son. How can you give hooligans, goons?
Before we came here, you learned that your son has undergone a skull X-ray. They have just taken him to somewhere and he's moving to Nakasero.
Let me tell
I've been following events.
Let me tell you, even if he dies,
the mother is very scared.
No, I will kill them.
Tamara's mother is very, very scared.
Military intelligence. Military intelligence. You see, these are stupid people. They are idiots. Why? Do you know why they are fighting me? They are fighting me because I said, and the idiots, why? A serious person take a responsibility. We insulate the president, our principal. I said President Museveni was deceived by military intelligence, YESO and ESO, that the people power was going to burn the city. They had plan B, which was a hoax. There was no plan B. It was initiated by Besigye and these senior people.
We said that in our original video.
Yes.
The previous video.
So they got money from Museveni. What did Museveni tell them to do? Museveni said, these are my Bazukuru, as he usually says. What do? Arrest them politely. Get information from them, don't torture them, take them to rehabilitation centers, and then we train them for work. These people ended up pulling up nails, killing many of them, subjecting them to torture. So when I came up and said, I don't know how educated is this general who is manning military intelligence. I don't know. Because in politics, even if you are not guilty, in order to protect your principle, you plead guilty. I wrote it in my book, The Banyampi. I said, a Munyampi is somebody who takes responsibility for something he never did.
He has not done.
To protect his principle. This is a Munyampi. Even if Museveni told them to arrest these people, and the exercise ends up damaging Museveni's image. These people, a serious person would even resign to protect your boss. Even if your boss told you to do something, why do we have pardons in America? That an American president can give you a pardon before he retires. It means you did the work clandestinely that was illegal. So before he goes, he must pardon you. But Ugandans are not at that level. Even if Museveni told these security people that you can arrest and kill and do what? Somebody explained that we had to do it in the way nobody follows us. But if it backfires, And Uganda's image is tainted, is dented. An intelligence officer, a head of an organization, an intelligence organization, you can even tender in your resignation.
Of course. Take a responsibility.
I take a responsibility.
To save your principle.
Yes, to save your principle. This is not what they do. I don't know where they went to school. This is what I said. Even if Museveni had directed them to do this, which I doubt, implementing a presidential directive and misusing a presidential directive are different issues.
Yes.
This is what annoyed this man in military intelligence.
Can you?
To order. He is a hooligan. He is eager to pounce on my son. I will kill them.
But who is eager?
He's a hooligan. He's an illiterate man.
Where does he get the audacity to start beating people?
Those Westerners use Baganda illiterates to accomplish their missions because they don't understand. This man doesn't know that I'm more popular than him. He's a fugitive. I'm guarded by military police. I'm guarded by the police. I'm guarded by the plain clothes. My car is monitored by satellite. Have you seen me causing trouble?
No, I've never seen you
moving with my hammer.
I've never seen you even slap someone on the street.
Science. I've never slapped anybody. But how can you give a goon escort a Porsche car? The Baganda call it Okusibomula Rusanja. A mad person is already frightened. People fear him. And you wrap a charge on him. Kakati bana aba Westana. Buli lwoba tunuulira bakwata nnyo Abaganda. Every government ekwata nnyo Abaganda abataasoma. Tikakati eyo guuni ekuba omwana wange temanyi nti I can incite the population ne bagitta kubanga I'm more popular than him. He's a fugitive, he's illiterate, but because he drives a force car escorted by 2 military policemen, he thinks that he's important. He's the man who battered my son. But I will not go to court, I will not go to the police, but he will die. I will punish him with his escort. Auntie, he posted what implicates him because he's an idiot. He posted that Mirundi abuses this man. These idiots get money by attacking the people. Me, the way
you analyze his stuff.
It's different.
You base your analysis on current affairs.
He will die with his escort. I'm telling you. I don't want to go to court. I don't want to go to the police. I don't want to go to Kandiko. But this man will die. His escorts will be killed. They can even end up killing their parents. Mbarageko. I'm capable of doing this. There's no question about this. I'm telling you, this man will be killed, his escorts will be killed, his parents will be killed, his children will be killed without me resorting to court. How can you batter my son? They broke his jaw. What has he done? I'm not going to go to the police. I'm not going to raise this issue with the president. I will handle it in my traditional way. There are things that are mightier than the gun.
Are you serious?
Recruit hooligans.
Is there anything more powerful than a gun?
Goonies. I can even, in fact, I'm investigating now. Military intelligence. I have the influence and the capacity to make him blacklisted by ICC.
I see.
This is what I'm considering. Yes, but I don't know him. You see, me, I don't know many of these people.
He's called Major General Abel Kandiho.
I don't know him.
He's the chief of military intelligence.
I don't know him.
UPDF.
I don't mind about military intelligence. He was hired. Military intelligence people were hired to monitor my machines. They failed. They even wrote a report which I have to the mafias that this is a Russian satellite. If the money gets the satellite focuses to Moscow, and this is a CPN. So this is not my time to tumble in his area. But for me, what I said Museveni did not order these people
to start arresting and killing people.
I said in the morning that you people, You complain about coffee. People dry coffee in unhygienic places because it kills the grain.
The quality of our coffee beans.
Our maize was rejected by Kenya because of. Then I say,
and I hear Burundi is also considering.
Do you know
eliminating us?
That human rights are benchmarks on which countries' status is measured.
Yes. This is a known international.
A person who is messing up, who is killing people, he plucks their nails, who kills them, who puts them in
under illegal detention.
He is more dangerous than the man who is drying his coffee beans in
a dirty place.
Kubanga nona did the image yeggwanga lyaffe agiteeka muki. One of the reasons is when the president came to power, these are younger people, I can lecture them. Some of them are not informed. You see, in 1986, when Alem came to power, President Museveni instituted a commission of inquiry to investigate cases of human rights violations from 1963 to independence to 1986 when he took over. We did not go for a Truth and Reconciliation Commission. And one of the recommendations of that commission was that we needed a permanent commission for human rights, because fighting for human rights is perpetual. It's permanent. So a commission was instituted. We have a human rights commission. Why? Because President Museveni realized early that human rights are important. I was talking yesterday and I say, I'm in a puzzle. I'm in a very awkward situation. I'm perplexed. Because what I wrote in my books long ago is now what is happening. I was talking about Argentina House, where people used to be detained without trial, where people are tortured to death. We now have safe houses. People used to be killed in 9 months.
And unknown places.
Yes.
Because these are not safe houses anymore.
When in 1983, the president strategically decided that civilians should go back and denounce the rebels because of the offensive led by Ogole. He wanted the army to concentrate on fighting. So he told the civilians to go back. He told the civilians to go back. Obate's government instituted a team of people they used to call computers to identify, to pinpoint people with whom they had been in the bush. This is what is happening. Arresting, used to arrest people in caboose. But
good drone.
Drones. Are we going back, Abizemu? And you see a man like me who has written about the president. When I tell you, I was reading a book this morning that Museveni's legacy will include human rights, revamping the country's image. No, it's no more. It is no more. Ugandans are being registered for deportation. As it was during Amin's time, many Ugandans now prefer to call themselves Nigerians and Kenyans. What has gone wrong? Military intelligence. Yiso. Yes. Taking people to, because once you misuse, you fail to have an effective military intelligence service. Then you resort to draconian, to extrajudicial measures.
But Mzee, you had said earlier in your books that if you want to defeat Museveni,
yes,
you will make him undo his early achievements. Is there a hand that is making him undo?
And that's why it makes them panic. Like this man, to get a goon. Kill him. You would have told this man to kill my son and see whether your children will survive for 4 days. abasajja bano batujooga nnyo. Singa walagidde omusajja oyo natta omwana wange n'abamu mu wiiki emu tebaali baddewo n'alikulazeeko, tuyina amaanyi basajja mmwe agasinga emmundu. Kill my son and see oba gwe abaana bo babeerawo. I have the means nga nina wange neetumbidde n'ababe bonna nembatta nembakubya ensimbu because he thinks that I'm talking about him. No. Support your argument. Defend yourself.
naye tolina kye wayogedde kitaliiwo. Abantu babawamba, abantu babatwala, lisiti zifuluma, abaana b'abantu tebaliiko.
With his family members, with his escorts, before moving from my home.
Yiga
nja kumutta n'abaana be, ne taata we, ne maama we, ne beesikooti bano. Nga sivudde na wange. It won't be murder. Njagala ndaku omusajja ono kandiho nti I have the means esobola okutta omuntu nga tandabye nako nga sikomitinze mmadda nga talina nagyandabye. Learn how to defend yourselves. Learn how to defend your
why don't they just not do anything? Kuba bw'otandika okutta abantu tolina nabo bya defending.
They assume that we shall support them.
I see.
Not me. I'm not a government spokesperson. Because I realized that being a government spokesperson or a presidential spokesperson, I used to take on excess baggage to defend undefendable things.
I see.
This is why I'm a friend of the president with all of the facilities. I have more facilities than this idiot. Yiga. I have more facilities. He has only 2 military schools. How many do I have? I have the police, I have plane, I have even
the military itself.
Yes.
I have been at several of your homes.
Even my vehicle is monitored, satellite monitored. I'm more powerful than this idiot. But do I commit crimes? Am I known to this to that man? Am I known to the ISO man? These are not my allies. I don't know them. I don't know Kandiho. I don't know this man in ISO. I don't know. I have never greeted this woman of because I'm not a criminal. Since I'm not a criminal, I see no reason why I should go and kneel for them. I don't need their money.
But who gives? Are there specific orders given to military people if they are deployed to guard someone? Because there is no way you can order a military man to just beat up someone.
They shoot their fathers, they shoot their children, they shoot their wives under possession. Baba babatte. Sigana mu court. I don't go to court. I don't go to anybody. I don't talk to this man Kandiho. No. I have my jurisdiction where I'm a judge, and I've sentenced them to death.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I have
sentenced these people as a judge in my own court. I've sentenced this idiot and his 2 escorts to death.
Are you serious?
For battering my son. And it will happen.
I see.
It will happen. It's a question of time. It will happen. Even if today I go on radio and TV and I say, you look for this idiot, they will kill him. But I know how I'm going to do it. I'm going to teach everybody. You batter my son.
Over
this idiot.
Failure to explain.
Yes. My son is a graduate. You kill him, you damage his people. I will take the matter to the ICC. Military intelligence will have to pay. Military intelligence will explain to an external body why it uses goons like Yiga. I'm telling you, this is a battle which has just begun. I have not raised this issue with the president. No. This is something. It is only a wicked kid who runs to his father every day. This is a matter as a judge. I've sat in my chair, traditional chair, and sentenced the 2 escorts and the idiot, the goon, to death and their parents.
And you're considering
under my seal. But if they can do it to me, how many crimes has this goon committed? Who is protected? What does he have? Is he a campaigner? Is he a government official? Is he who? Is he an analyst? Is a goon? And we Baganda, whenever government changes, we subject those goon to the real punishment. Those goonies. That man is a goon.
I see.
Navu. Where did he go to school? And Museveni has disappointed us. People of substance don't see him. But a goon like him, he goes to the president. This is where he gets the arrogance of, I'm going to punish him. I'm going to punish him. Mirundi does not go to court. Mirundi does not go to the police. I've never reported any incident to the police. I follow my traditional justice. Where am I judge? Where have I this advantage?
I see.
So,
isn't it Museveni's failure to control these people?
These Westerners,
because you're seeing people flying around with guns in land, stealing people's land, beating. Now they have reached an extent of beating someone's son who has committed the self-defense.
The Westerners hide themselves because they are educated and they know future reprisals. This goon doesn't know. In fact, me, so my company, a spy agents, I know whom he talked to and the discussion they heard. Mbirino, kambiwe ICC, bakwate jono, bamutwale ne gunirie. Yes, I have a spy agency. Nabikutte byonna boogera nga yeewaana. Kakati kambiwe ICC, with the influence I have, General alinyeko ku nnyonyi agitembe. May I not talk to him? I cannot complain about this goon. Mirundi is, I'm a very arrogant man. That I go to him to say what? To say, no, you go to the police, no, you not go. I have my jurisdiction, I've sat as a judge, and I've sentenced the two escorts, the idiot, his parents to death.
Maybe the escorts were used by this person.
My son, using you call it what? The shigala. Yakubye omwana wange ajja kusasula. Ajja kwesanga nga sekitawe. He will be possessed and kill his father, his mother, and his goon. Ajja kusasula. Tell kuteesa, no negotiations. Mirundi does not negotiate. Me, I have my jurisdiction where I'm judge. And the judge, me, Mirundi. The judge in my traditional court of passed a sentence. That's a penalty. Bajja kumunoonya babakube. Bajja kumunoonya bamukube bamwasa omutwe n'abaana be babatte. Abaana abaserikale banyaabwe babatte. Nabaki. Nga ndi wange neetulidde.
Kambuze muzeeyi. Ensonga zino z'owabula bano aba military. Temukwata bantu. Temuba Museveni teyabalagira kukuba abantu bajjamu njala babonyabonya. Bookya na kubatta.
These people are not informed. The problem we are having is that Ugandans don't know the current situation. That we are facing three challenges. We are facing the domestic problems of Bobi Wine, whom I have talked to. Bobi Wine wanted to make it political. I told him, no, this is military intelligence, Kandiho, using a kuni, battered my son. I wish he had killed him. N'abaana bosinga bafuka te. Je n'abaana bosinga bafu. Nali basse mu kiro kimu. Nenkulagako nti Abaganda tulina ebyafu. I'm a powerful man in my that sector. Singa omwana wange baamusse. Singa jeno talina baana.
Kikolebwa
nali basi.
Okikola otuddewo.
Anti omuzimu guno gwe gubatuga. Ogwono afudde. Ono butafa nsaze. Mbadde njogera ntuga abaana b'omusajja ono. Aleme kuddamu kunjooga. Ngende ewaabwe gusindike. Nabagamba nti nze n'abo abaana abanjooga tujja kubaganira mu kabbuli. Mulabe kabbuli ezitabuka ng'omuzimu gulumbye gunne waago. Kakati bano abantu obuzibu balina tebamanyi situation. They don't know the international dynamics. Nti killing people, safe houses. In fact, let me tell you, nze singa nali nina amaanyi mu ggwanga muno, I would have advised the president that what do? You say that following the outcry of people, government had decided to close all the safe houses.
Nabo yakola na Rufenya.
Yes.
Even
if they remain in operation, what you do, you get new safe houses. You abandon the old ones. You can even say that the Ministry of Tourism can turn them into tourism
attractions.
Yes. Because if I say that we have abandoned, why is it that you abandon them? Because many people, they have been misused, many people have gone there, and they come out with settling evidence. So what you say, we have closed the issue of safe houses has come to an end. In many cases, these houses belong to individuals. They are hired. But you can even give them to Ministry of Tourism, buy them and make it and give them to Ministry of Tourism. That is where, because the Baganda have a proverb, a bad incident, a bad deed, a sounds
louder than
drum. Kakati, if it comes to say a safe house, do you know that many people in Europe, the tourists, would like to visit to see how a safe house looks like?
Even Ugandans.
Yes.
Even some of us would want to go and see how a safe house looks like.
The only place where you cannot go is a prison. Because the prison does not have illuminatis. We call them what? The people who were there was.
Ghosts.
Yes. The ex-convicts.
The ex-convicts.
Yes.
Ex-prisoners in this case.
They don't celebrate their days. It is not something to be reminded about. The detained.
Yes.
Two, those people who are detained in safe houses, when they are released, and the president is proposing to release them, Bobby Wine's people are smart. They go and get first-hand information from them. This is what defeats Museveni's argument. If President Museveni says that I have only 54 detainees, these people, when they go back, they ask, Tamale Mirundi, ndio yafa, pamutira gindi ani yamuta, they even mention names. This is so releasing them is a problem. Detaining them is a problem.
What do you do?
This is what I say. Cause the NRM poor performance in Kasese. On the eve of elections in Kasese, some detainees who had been arrested during the fight in the Mumberezi Palace were released. So they went back with settling evidence. And instead of thanking Museveni for releasing such a prisoners, people, the whole area was covered with money. Ono wamulekawa yafa ani yamutta uyu twamulabi uyu bamukuba yali asaba mmere ne bamutta. He was asking for water. He was killed. He died a miserable death. This is where the president has a problem. All of those who are going to be released will be followed up by Bobby Wine's people, and will be the first people to get interviews from those who have been released. And what is interesting is that the government does not have the capacity to we call it what? That when somebody makes an allegation, then you come in and
counter.
A rebuttal. We call it a rebuttal in mass communication. That you come and explain why. The Bobby Wine supporters, their interest is for foreign export. So it's not their interest to ensure that a government comes and says, maybe this would have been done at the prison, at the center of detention. When we are releasing you too, they should learn public relations. You cannot release a prisoner who has wounds.
Of course.
You cannot release a prisoner whose shirt is torn. How much money do you use by buying a Muvumba t-shirt? If we know
1,000
we are going to release these prisoners, and we know that most of their clothes they came with are torn, rags. How much money is needed by government to ensure that these people
they wait for a budget. For them, they always wait for a
not the
budget
money
to do
of-
something.
Even if Museveni proposes this money, his mafias
Will steal.
will
Get into the deal
yes, you will not
and
see
squander.
the importance of
Swindle
somebody
the
going
money.
back.
Yes.
Going back. Do you think these makeup pilgrims, if they come back in bad shape, do you think they would have attracted the others?
Of course, the others will not join
Yes.
the next year.
Ovuddeyo onyirira banenge emaka waliyo ki emaka waliyo ki ti emaka nti nyuma ya nabbi. That's why we come back aherefe. So it encourages others.
Let me ask you, Mzee, what did you talk about with Bobby Wine?
Eh?
What did you discuss in a phone
With
call
Bobby Wine?
Bobby Wine gave you?
Bobby Wine rang me to console me about and I have not seen anybody from government. I told Bobby Wine, this is not people power. Kandiho, using his goonies in military intelligence, decided to batter my son. This has nothing to do with the people power. Even if it is only because he's the only person they know. Do you know that my wife, his mother, has survived many things? At one time, during the killing of women, she survived. Killing during this.
Your mother-in-law?
No, unumama we. Organized. She had been lured. Whenever they attack my family, I destroy. Ngindo kuba abaserikale oyo bwe bamuwa bwe batabamujjaako tugenda kukonga abantu beba batte bamubeba mutte ennyumba yewaabwe bagyokye nibyennyini bamubeba mutte mukazi we bamubeba mutte abaana be babakube babatte. We cannot allow and indiscipline goon to be protected.
To hold the military escorts.
What's the role of this goon?
Yiga.
Called Yiga. He rapes women. He beats up people. Intimidates people because I've seen Museveni. Now I've declared the war on him.
That is an NRM member. Is that guy who puts on a yellow shirt?
I'm more powerful than many NRMs. And for your information, me, I don't need to shout. I don't need to talk to him. It will be missile formation. Nje kumulaba konga ali mu kagaali k'abalema. Nja mulaba konga nyina mufu. Nja mulaba konga abaana be.
What if he says sorry to you?
Nja mulaba konga abaserikale abo bagudde kabenje bafudde.
What if he comes and says Mzee is on you?
No. For me, I don't forgive. What if they killed him? He was saved by a traffic policeman. Why? Bleeding profusely. Let us face it out. Lidda katulwanagane omwatte munne wabeewatta munne wabeewatta abeewaabwe nja kubatta. Military intelligence, let it buy for coffins. I'm telling you, they will not see me anywhere, but I'm going to kill them. They will die.
I see.
The escorts will die. This Kuguni will die. His parents will die. His children will die. But you can't take the family. I mean, when you attack my family, I use nuclear weapons. Kamulake komulenzo bamubeba mutte bambenyira bamutte baba besikolo bambeja okubali mu malimu baba nabo babatte.
Bwe tutyo bwe tutambudde ne ka briefing kano akamzeyi ku mutabani we kibi nnyo naye Mzeyi todaba gendayo nze nkubuulira abadde afolowinga omwana we bamututte nakasero mu ddwaliro maama we mweraliikirivu nnyo.
No, I went to my village. My basilica is in my village. I went to consult my traditional gods, and they have passed this. I will not go to him.
Where you are the judge.
Even if he dies, I will not attend the burial.
Because now,
yes, I have secured a judgment from my traditional religion. I'm an educated man with masters, but I don't go to court. I'm a strong believer in the traditional religion. Because the traditional religion does not take your time. They have not summoned witnesses. No.
They already know.
The victim is known. Those who subjected him to this type of battering, they are known. and the judgment has been passed. Bajaja oye, kamulageko, kandage kandako hamulageko, kamulageko, neguniye.
Iga.
Ewaffe kasitana genzeeyo. I've not seen my son. In my tradition, is forbidden. Even if he dies, I will not bury. Because I have a case against these people.
I see.
When I look at his body, even if he dies, then that will be forgiveness. I'm not going to see him. I'm not going to see him. Even if he recovers, I'm not see him until they were punished. They receive severe punishment.
Okay.
But if they can do it to me,
can you imagine?
What happens?
So some of us are questioning.
Yes.
If it is done to you, a committed servant,
a man like me,
who gives a committed service to Museveni,
a gun connected.
Some of us will have to go through tunnels to go back home.
General Kandiho, a gun connected to General Kandiho, can butter my son the way he has done. A gun,
moreover, using military security
by military escorts. A goon was never completed the P2. A goon was been terrorizing people. If you can do it.
But he boasts around. I saw him originally with a video abusing everyone and he abusively abusing anyone. We see him moving around with the pictures, shaking hands with Museveni. Does he give him the audacity?
If you want to kill a python, you tie a goat there, hide in the bush. Because the python is not killed, you cannot kill an innocent python. So what happens is, when this python is this goat, you judge it.
Just a case.
Mind. Let him talk, rape other people's women, let him take other people's wives. But the moment, now that he has stepped into my compound, when I'm
the judge in the traditional faith,
and I have my judgment, the death judgment. Let us wait.
Okay.
Ngoja kidogo tunaonana. Let me take this goon
and his boss.
Yes, and his boss. Let me teach this. You see, for me, I've told you that I'm going to pursue this matter against the general in ICC. This illegalities as to who? Because a goon cannot be escorted by military police. Are you a VIP? Who gave him the soldiers?
He has a photo with him.
I have a big case in the ICC. I have a big case. Baja kumukwatako, baja kumukwatayo, baja kumutolayo, baja kumufatayo, baja kumujayo, baja kumukwatayo, baja kumufatayo, baja kumujayo, baja kumufatayo. Yeah, ICC twalireko kandiho ngana yagenzi. Insetiriri, but you cannot beat up my son. But my son, you would ask me, am I doing? Me, when I come.
You always open discussions.
I come ready. I argue that President Museveni did not do this. In fact, everybody would support me because I have the largest following. Even if Museveni.
But one of someone who masquerades as an NRM.
Even if Museveni did it, you would say yes. This man is correct because you have to save the principle. But these people are saying no. Why do you say that Museveni is innocent? What type of reasoning is this? Kamba someseko, basajamwe kamba someseko. You are generous. I'm also a general in my tradition. I'm a general. Didn't you see that in Kofi?
Yes.
Yes.
I
witnessed
the
I'm not interested in
the heart I feared most in my life.
I'm interested in arresting naye njagala okutwala genono akwata ezo goonies naziwe mundu naziwa escorts njagala omutwale Hague. I want to I will drag him there. I will drag him there. Let him kill me, but I will drag him there. This is a pure case. But my son is poor. Was he injured, damaged? But
yes. This I was told this is from the X-ray.
Yes,
and one of the side of the jaw has been shattered.
Yes. Njabata. Abasajja abo njabata. Njabano nyambati. Get evidence. Njabata. Njabasula mu motoka. Njabasula mu motoka. I'm telling you.
Okay.
I've been fighting battles. I'm war hardened. but the country should ask itself if a man
owa mirundi bwe baba bamukuba bwe batyo
owa military police sijja genda wa military police nidda njokola wa military police omukono guvunde njagala ekisajja kino akikube bakitte njagala ekisajja kino mukazi wakyo bamube bamutte njagala abaana bakyo bamube babatte njagala nnyina wakyo bamube bamutte njagala jeno kandiho mutwale mu ICC. Yes.
Okay.
Battle keberewo. This is the new beginning of this battle. Abantu babone ku bujozi.
Okay.
Abantu kabone ku kujogebwa.
Bwe tutyo bwe tubalize ekitundu kyaffe kino Muzeeyi Mirundi mbadde Kanka Capital kubaweereza mbasiibudde.